Hey everyone, my name is Jolan. I work with Green Mountain Grills. Today I'm going to teach you how to replace the Auger motor on your Green Mountain Grill Prime. Before we take anything apart, you're going to want to unplug the grill from the back. Next step is to empty out the hopper of all pellets, because we will be taking this hopper box off. The tools you're going to need for this replacement are a shop vac, a bucket to catch your pellets and then set your hopper onto, the 10mm multi-tool, and maybe some clippers. Go ahead and suck out all the excess pellets with the shop vac to make sure you have a clean hopper. Now we need to get this hopper off. Use the 10mm tool to unscrew the 4 bolts that are holding on this hopper. Have the bucket nearby to make sure you can catch that hopper. Set it on that bucket. If you do have a zip tie or a twisty tie holding these wires together, just go ahead and clip that or untwist it. That way we have a little bit more access. Locate the auger motor connection wires. Comes right off the motor here. All right, use your 10mm tool to twist off the 2 bolts that are holding this on. They have a brass color on them. Once you take those 2 bolts off, the grate on the bottom will actually come off. So just set that aside for now. All right, now it's time for your auger motor to come off. Now you're ready to install your new auger motor. Locate the T-pin, because this is where the auger bit will attach. This goes on next. You'll just put the bolts right over it. Next, locate your wiring. Go ahead and just snap those together. Make sure they snap tight. These wires here are delicate. Please make sure to push them off to the side so they don't get pinched when you put back on the hopper box. Make sure the hopper box is seated on properly before installing the bolts back in. Once you're finished, go ahead and fill up your hopper with the pellets. All right, now plug back in the grill. Let's make sure this auger starts. And that's it. You just replaced the auger motor on your Green Mountain Grill Prime. If you have any more questions or need any more tips, head over to greenmountaingrills.com and check out the videos section.